Hello, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going hiking. Haven't done any of that all summer, so I'm trying to make up for all the things I didn't get to do before hiking is completely hiking. Summer is completely done. So right now I'm at the Bushkill Falls, and what I love about it is it's beautiful, but you do get a good workout, which I do. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So for right now, next scene I'm probably gonna be sweaty and tired, but I need it. My trainer said I need to do a little bit more cardio, and that's what I'm doing today. But it's gonna be fun. So here's the scene. So guys, this is not even halfway. Look at me. But I gotta get up these steps and they're gonna kill me. But I gotta do it. So just when you think the stairs are done, no, there's more, and we're not at the halfway point yet. This is a workout. So guys, I'm halfway. I feel like I was gonna die, but I made it. This is pure cardio, so proud of myself so far. But I used to be able to do this trail with no problem, and now I find myself out of breath, had to stop a few times. Yeah, I really need to get back into shape and some muscle, but frustrating at times. But this weight loss journey is killing me. So I'm at the end pretty much. It's like one nice view at the end, but made it. Not sweaty now because my heart rate went down. But today's kind of like an eye opener because I used to do this all the time easily, and having to struggle like this today, it's just, yeah, I need to really get back into fitness and be serious about it. I'll pop some pictures in so you can see what I really used to look like when I was running a lot. I've done 2 10-mile races, numerous amount of 5Ks and 5 milers, and then I started grad school and I stopped. And not completely stopped, but I didn't dedicate as much time, and then eventually the weight creeped up on me, so now I feel like I'm back at square one, which is just, discouraging, because if you ever been on a weight loss journey, you know how hard it is. And if you committed years to it, then you stop, and all the work that you did during that time is just non-existent right now, because I'm literally almost back at what I started at. And initially I had lost almost 100 pounds, and I gained about 70 pounds of that. So to have to lose that much weight again, it's fucked up. That's the best way I could put it. And it's upsetting. But I have to, getting older, and I don't drop the weight as fast as I used to, but I know I have to do it, and I have to encourage myself and be honest with you. Some of these videos I've been doing, so I've been doing a lot of book-related videos and events, and I'm starting to see it, compared to if I go every morning, I get up and I look in the mirror, I don't see it. But when I was looking at these videos, I'm like, oh my God, what the hell just happened to me? How did I get to this level again? But I can't beat myself up anymore. I gotta shut up and work out and start being serious. So the last week, I've been watching what I eat. I've been cutting down on my carbs, because I am addicted to carbs. I am that girl who gained weight by eating a lot of bread and rice, compared to other people might fry food and all this other stuff. I could care less about that, but bread and rice is my weakness. So I cut that down, and honestly, it gives me mood swings. But I'm adjusting, and I'm getting better, so hopefully eventually it's not so bad. But today is one of those days where I had to get up and work out, even though I didn't want to. So it's my reality, my body, I gotta fix it. So stay tuned to the end. The view's lovely at the end. Survive. So thanks for watching. Go ahead, subscribe, thumbs up, comment, and have a good day.